Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. I got this AKAI amplifier model AKAI model AM-U01 amplifier. I bought it as a dead amplifier and the seller told me that I should check out the fuses. I just set everything on, and when I turn here, press here, it should play music. It's on AUX and everything is connected and it's getting a signal. So we have nothing. You can see here the VU meters, they don't move at all. And we have no sound. So let's make a little video out of this. And I hope you guys can help me repairing this one. Well, I'm all new into this. So as I can see, let me just turn off there we go. As I can see here, we're getting power in here from the right side and it goes in here to the circuit board. And when we turn the power on, it goes into this transformer. All right, so far so good. And from the transformer, we're getting the power here down to the PVC board. I've measured these two fuses, they work. We're getting a signal to the lights also, they also work. But when we go over to the other side of the board, over here, I've just taken a visual look at the caps. They are not bulging upwards, they don't have no acid running down. Maybe there has been something like that for 10-20 years ago, I don't know. But what I have found out is this fuse is fine, but that fuse was blown. It was dead. So what I did was I replaced it with another fuse. Of course the contact was off. Everything was connected, but of course, I turned it off, and when I put in the fuse, it made this pop sound out of the speakers. So there were some leftover voltage up here, and when I put it in, I turned the machine on, and it said whoop, and it just blew the fuse right away. So replacing it does not help. So there is some kind of trouble somewhere that that must be repaired. So if you are familiar with this AKAI model, please write on the comments below. I mean, I know how to solder, I know how to measure, but I have no knowledge about this. Only the love and passion, but no knowledge. So I don't know, some of the times that it could be dead caps that that are giving too much power, or the bridge rectifier. I had so much trouble with these on pinball machines. Could be so many things. So if you know what to do next, if this was yours, then please write on the comments below what to look at, what to do, what should be the next step. So as of right now, I bought it as a dead amplifier and it blows up this fuse at the top. 2 amps. And replacing it will just blow it up again. And this little one here, it works fine. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I really hope you will come with some great ideas and we can together repair this beautiful amplifier together, guys. Until next time, let's keep in touch. Bye.